This program is brought to you by Coca-Cola. Ituloy ang happiness.
Kaloy po, Laking Marikina at President for Happiness ng Coca-Cola. Sabi nila, ang trabaho ko, pasayahin kayo. Astig, no? Ano kayang magandang gawin? Dapat ba? Eh kung... Alam ko na! Eh, paano ko? Basta, magiging masaya itong taon na to!
Blow dry, hairspray, every morning, kaso by evening, flatten bagsak siya.
With unique avocado and cassia extract, Pantene Nature Care.
Kahit 8 o'clock na, bagsak na hair, wala na.
Pantene Nature Care.
Isang t-shirt ang nagsimula sa dream niyang maging pop star. Simple man, naiintindihan ko na importante ito sa pangarap niya. Hahayaan ko bang masira ito na matinding mancha? Hindi, no? Kaya ang gamit ko, Ariel Stain Lift with Deep Clean Technology. Tanggal ang mancha sa bawat layer, kaya may linis na mukhang bago para sa pop star ko. Ariel Stain Lift, linis na mukhang bago.
I let the fresh outdoors in with Glade Refresh Air. Its odor-fighting formula cleans the air as it freshens. Glade Refresh Air opens my door to freshness. Glade Refresh Air. S.C. Johnson.
Hair fall, roughness, dryness, dullness, split ends. I never worry. For the top 5 Filipino hair problems, I have one solution. L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 with Cement Ceramide. Repairs hair inch by inch. Strengthens like no other. Kaya strand by strand, gorgeous. 5 problems, 1 solution. For only $4.50. Because every Filipino's worth it.
And now back to Face to Face dito sa TV5.